This should be an entertaining game. Good interception. Well cut out. Gillespie. Well intercepted. And he's back in possession. Good interception. And he's given possession and he hits it. Oh, and it's hit the bar. And he's back in possession. Oh, that could be painful. Let's see if he made contact. Looks to me like he did. Good, a great finish. His teammates swarm him, and rightly so. Great stuff. So the opening goals come from the man himself. The manager will be pleased he's on the score sheet today. Wonder what that goal will do to the script of this drama. Striker's ball, and he's won it back for his team. Shoots! Simply no messing about there. Clean finish. The referee gets the game back underway. Good interception. Sanchez. Defenders back on the ball. They have the ball again. And this is Kane. That chance is gone. He should be hitting the target. Let's have a look at that one again. And he's well offside. No trouble there for the assistant to raise his flag. He was clearly offside. Oh, that's a foul. It's a tactical change here then. Good catch by the goalkeeper. He got a good hand behind that. Oh, determined challenge. Referee calls playback for the earlier foul. That will be a booking. Yellow card. This is within range then. Oh, it's a clear chance. That was a real chance. They're unlucky not to score. Let's see how close that one was to going in. And the fourth official has indicated 2 minutes of stoppage time. Good interception. The assistants kept his flag down. Good, and what a finish. His teammates swarm him, and rightly so. Great stuff. It's just one after the other. With this team, the manager will be ecstatic. And there's the half-time whistle. Plenty of good football between these two teams. The respective team talks at half-time might have been very different. Can they get back into this one? over. Oh, determined challenge there. Well intercepted. His team look eager for more goals. It's looking likely they'll get it. They have the ball again. Well intercepted. Is this the work goal? Great finish. Fantastic work from the goal scorer and his team. A much deserved goal. Goals are flying in here, and he'll be chuffed with adding another. This is Redmond. Looks like the opposition are still trying to get back into the game. They got it there. Lovely, but sends it forward. That's a safe piece of goalkeeping. Shoots, there's literally no stopping him today. He's got his hat-trick. Fantastic performance from this player. An example to young players everywhere as he grabs a hat-trick. Time for a fresh pair of legs here then. Determined challenge there. He read that one absolutely perfectly. And he's got it back for his team. Oh, that's a pointless challenge. The team swap possession again. Back for his team. He read that one absolutely perfectly. Oh, and dispossessed there. Oh, well intercepted. Oh, they're in cruise control now. The game is surely all wrapped up. Great patience here. Well intercepted. Oh, he did really well there. Good block there. He read that one absolutely perfectly. Sanchez shoots. It was close to missing, but the woodwork was on his side. Officials indicating 2 minutes of stoppage time. That's the final whistle. Great display of attacking football today. Great performance by this player. He fully deserves to be named man of the match.